Good morning, guys. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and today I am unboxing the Quinear. This is the air compression leg recovery system. So I love leg compression. I think it's a great option. I treat mostly patients who have had a total knee replacement, and using leg compression to manage both pain and swelling has been really beneficial for my patients. But even as a runner myself, having something to provide me the compression, I usually add an ice pack to it to get a cooling sensation, but recovering after long runs, 5, 7, 10-mile runs once or twice a week, devices like this have been really instrumental in changing my recovery system. You know, I'm 48 years old. If you are an adult runner in the age range of 40 to 60, you understand that at this age, it's more about managing recovery than it is about the actual running itself. We have that mastered. What we don't have is the ability to recover as well as when we were 20. So let's unbox the device. Let's see what comes included. I want to thank Quinear for sending me this. This was a free sample. They were kind enough to send it to me so I can unbox it, review it, and see how this system works. What I like about the smaller systems is they're just compact. They're easy to store. They're easier to get out. So it comes in this great little carrying case, which again, stores easily. It's a soft case. It's not a hard case, so we can kind of compress it and slide it into lower cabinets. This is likely the compression unit, the pump, the pneumatic device. Here are the two leg sleeves. Now this is a medium size. They do come in different sizing. So they come in these resealable plastic bags. And if we look inside the packaging, you can see we have a user's manual, we have specifications. Here is the main component. The power cord. And this is the tubing that's going to attach to each of the leg sleeves. Okay, so here are the two leg sleeves. There's a right and a left. The hoses that are embedded in the sleeves will come and attach to this device right here. These guys are going to click in place. There's going to be an upside and a downside. It's clearly labeled right there. And then this side is going to attach into the air pump, and we've got the cord. So let's go ahead and get it started. Let's see how they feel.